What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to give some updates on the cryptocurrency market and make sure you're paying attention because right now they're trying to shake people out of the cryptocurrency market. So make sure you're doubling down, especially on very strong altcoins and even mid caps. Remember, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button down below. Consider subscribing to the channel, and you see that at the bottom right hand side of the screen, there's a link down in the description below for Coinbase, up to $200 for free. Could be yours if you sign up for Coinbase today with my link. Now, Bitcoin breaking a little bit of support today, which is totally fine. A lot of people are looking at this like, oh my goodness, how low will we go? At 95.8, people started panicking, some even capitulating. But guys, when in doubt, always zoom out. When you look at the 1 week chart, Bitcoin is on a really bullish rally. Yes, we did just experience the biggest correction so far in the last 7 days, really. But again, guys, we are still on a really strong rally for BTC. If you look at the 1 month, the 1 year, and of course the all-time charts, right now we are hovering near the all-time highs. Now, why do I want to talk about XRP today, Ripple? Because it had, amongst the top 10 cryptocurrencies aside from Cardano, it had the strongest price action. And retail investors are coming in really strong into Ripple. It was running 50 cents for a really long time. And then after elections happened and everything with the SEC and Gary Gensler resigning, we saw a really nice bullish pattern. Just again, bullish continuum for XRP, breaking its intra-year high and now almost breaking its 2021 high of $1.68, an all-time high of nearly $4. But the question becomes right now, will Ripple continue to rally and should we expect it to run? First and foremost, let's take it over to Michael Saylor, the biggest Bitcoin bull there probably is on this planet. Those green dots you see on this chart he posted earlier today saying we need more green dots from the SaylorTracker.com. You could see he's been buying Bitcoin via their MicroStrategy company, his publicly traded company. And you could see here all these green dots and even at the previous all-time high purchasing at there and then again here. And now we're seeing potential order books of multi-billion dollars coming in. And that's what I want to talk about now. And that is XRP Ripple. And why I think, again, we're going to see some significant volume come into XRP. You guys got to pay attention. Number one thing that I always look at when it comes to the cryptocurrency market is not market cap, is not dollar value. You got to look at the volume coming into each separate crypto. Dogecoin and XRP are outpacing BNB Solana by 24-hour trade volume. Cardano only has a quarter of the volume Ripple has. So right now, what I would be paying attention to, even if you're not aware of what these different meme coins are meme coins and significantly strong altcoins and ones that have nice volume. Ethereum, $28 billion exchange to hand of traders, also really bullish, about half of the volume that Bitcoin has. 1 and 2 always run side by side. But the fact that Ripple is nearly at $12 billion of trade volume, that puts it in basically third place if you're not including stable coins, more than even USDC actually. It is a top contender. So with that being said, do not let these individuals shake you out. Again, don't focus on the 1 day charts and like, oh my goodness, we were just at $1.60, now we're at $1.38. Are we going all the way down? No, you got to look at it. You got to look at it as where are we at from the month view? Where are we at from the year view? And the pattern is still extremely bullish. There will always be corrections in any market. But remember, when we find resilience and build higher lows, which is literally what crypto's been doing, especially for XRP Ripple. Remember, it'd go on rips and then we'd see a downturn and then more rips, a downturn, consolidation. Right now, we just broke the intra-year high, retraced a nice, really nice 10, 11%. And now again, we're starting to rally back up. So again, pay attention and do not let them shake you out. The plan here is shorts will come in and market participants will come in and try to short the market here and there to take profits on you. But remember, if you don't sell, you won't realize a loss. If you take profits on the way up and on green candles. Never do so on red candles to protect your favorite assets and markets. And I just talked about order books. Remember, the biggest things that exchanges care about is volume. And volume right now for Ripple is outpacing any other cryptocurrency in the market except for Ethereum, BTC, and of course, Tether. So with that being said, I think next week we're going to open up very, very strong for XRP Ripple. So make sure you're paying attention. We're seeing some ridiculous, insane, and absurd, call them, price targets and price points for Ripple that people are speculating. But I really do think breaking all-time high is only going to be the beginning. Because remember, at this all-time high here, back in 2021, back in 2017, 2018, we just had a really big retail boom. But look at that 24-hour candle volume, 3.3 billion. Nothing compared to what we're seeing nowadays in double digit, 11, 12, 15, 20 billion dollars exchanging the hands of traders. And remember, one other thing you need to understand, more so than any other institution, is retail investors are the best holders. They will buy and hold, just like you and me, because we are what we consider retail investors. So be prepared, not surprised. A lot of news is coming. Right now, the community sentiment you guys see via CoinMarketCap, we're seeing a lot of bullish sentiment overall for XRP Ripple, 87%. And also, guys, we're in a greedy market still. The fear and greed index is still at 86. We're not at extreme high fear, but we're still at extreme high greed. We are right now entering extreme greed, which this phase right here is my favorite in the market, because that usually will last anywhere between 3 to 6 and even 12 months, pending continuous bullish momentum and, of course, sentiment. Donald Trump takes his seat as the president of the United States end of January. So between the next 2 months, I would consider that the accumulation phase. If the Bitcoin reserve is approved and the United States continues to accumulate, and now we have China and Russia also accumulating BTC, that could only mean one thing for the market, and that would only mean up. Remember, it's a supply and demand, all of these markets, and right now there's just not enough supply to meet everyone's demand. And so what's that doing? It's creating this continuous rise in price. All dips are for buying unless otherwise told. But right now, based off sentiment, based off what the community believes, it looks again like people are saying continue to buy the dip. And I'm just paying attention to the technical traders and people in the space. Shout out to Pentoshi, one of my favorite guys over on CT or Crypto Twitter. And he's saying here, very highly requested chart, ETH versus BTC. You guys can see this, the Ethereum and Bitcoin chart. Quite possible that the low is in, and at least for the short-term reversal is coming, meaning that altcoin season will begin. Coming into a pretty important historical spot while at some time having a nice weekly doji at those lows. Good confluence. He says here, for now, 2 things that I like in a trade. So guys, be prepared, not surprised, because when they panic, remember, don't let them shake you out, and we continue to pounce. I appreciate you all so much. That's all I had. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.